What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to unbox my new package from Nail House. I got some pigments from their collection that they just restocked on, so I'm going to be unboxing that and swatching all of the colors. So this is the little package that it came in, and I'm not going to turn it over obviously because my information is on the other side, but I just cut the box open, or the bag open, and it did come with another little box inside and some pigments outside of the box. I didn't get every single color because I wasn't able to, and but I did get as many as I could, whichever ones I did want. So those are the ones I'm going to be swatching. In my opinion, when it comes to owning a business, I feel like presentation is everything. And these little, whatever you want, container things, whatever you want to call these are so cute. Like, she did such a good job with everything. A little thank you letter. This little thing had the rest of the powders in here. So I'm going to show you all the names of them, and then we'll get right into these swatches. That is all of them. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos y'all would like to see. And if you're a nail tech, go ahead and order from her. I think that's her Instagram is nail house or whatever. But they're really good powders and they just don't add up. Like, this video did not give these colors no justice. They are beautiful in person, and the colors, like, they're just everything. The texture lays like butter. It's amazing. So I would recommend y'all go check her out.